I'm here with yet another glorious unboxing day. So it's out of the packaging because these actually arrived very far apart. I ordered this in May, both of these. This shipped, this shipped, this arrived in about 2.5 weeks. This arrived literally minutes ago in the middle of August that I bought in May. Thank you, COVID, for making everything take longer. Now that that rant is out of the way, so what I decided to buy was a new camera lens, actually. At the recommendation of a particular tech YouTuber, Marcus Brownlee, and I say recommendation only because it was on his channel. It's not like he talked to me specifically. He had recommended several times this particular lens from this old Russian company called Helios. It is the Helios 44 2, and he talked about the particular qualities that it had, and how older lens though it is, it just had some qualities that could not be beat even with current lenses that we have now. However, it is a Helios lens. The camera that I'm filming on is a Sony a5100, so I couldn't attach this lens to that body without one of these. So I'm going to break out the lens here real quick. Now keep in mind, this is the very first lens that I've ever bought for anything, actually. I'm going to see how much closer I can bring this in. I'm going to adjust the focus here real quick. There we go. Look at that shutter. I'm going to avoid having this off too much because, you don't want to run the risk of anything getting inside. Get back there. There we go. All right. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. I'm liking the range of motion. This is also one of those lenses that even when it is attached, there is no automatic functionality, so my auto zoom will be of zero use when this will be attached. Alright, let's put it back on. Keep that nice and covered up. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. It's got some properties that the current lens that I have on here, and it is a 16 to 50 3.5 to 5.6. It is, for everything I've needed it for so far, it's been outstanding. Great up close, although got a nail in the focus, but that's not too bad. Great for things a little further out, although it is by no means a telephoto lens. And now comes the moment of truth, because I've tested this out already. This absolutely fits onto the adapter, or this fits into the A-frame body for the Sonys, no problem. This is the E-mount, which I still think is really funny, that the E-mount goes into the A-frame. I don't know why the E-mount doesn't work. I'm sorry, why there isn't an A-mount for the A-frame. But hey, it is what it is. Oh, right there. So this fits in quite nicely. I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. All right, I'm going to take a few shots with this lens and have them come up on the screen right now so we can see for comparison what this camera is giving us and what benefits and limitations there are for the both of them. All right, let's get going. All right, so on top of the photos that you just saw that I took, I know this is primarily a photography lens, but it is attached to a camera that can do photography and video. And I know you think that maybe something's wrong right now, or maybe the lens cap is on, but no, this is the aperture at one major setting, and this is the aperture as I am opening it up further. Now, I'm not going to lie, I personally like this a great deal because all it takes is a simple twist of the hands as opposed to pressing furiously on the back of the device. It doesn't have much in the way of zoom, but the focus the focus is actually pretty outstanding. So I'm going to bring this a lot closer. I'm not going to lie, I like the dynamic range. I like what this has to offer. I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to do with this specifically, but I do know that I will be doing some filming with it. Absolutely. I have to work on dialing a few things in, but so far so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I should be able to take some really, really great shots, way far more dynamic. So, long story short, I'm liking this so far. I'm gonna call this purchase a win. Although I do have to admit the shipping time was a little bit crazy. I had to buy this from the Ukraine, or rather, I bought it from Amazon, but it shipped from the Ukraine, so that's why it took so long. But um, I would say maybe well worth it, worth the wait. But I guess we'll see later on in future videos. Until then, thank you for letting me take up some of your time. I appreciate it. I'm Jay Renard with now the owner of multiple lenses, and I'm out. Peace.